one because once you apply and get approved, you will save $10 off of your first purchase. So great opportunity. We have great extra flex opportunities on HSN, on your HSN card, and there's not an annual fee on that as well. So, so definitely get that. And okay, we're getting you all set. We're getting you healthy this hour. What if you have pain, and if you've been taking pain medications to help with that pain, you are going to be so excited about this next product. This is from Dr. Ho. This is his pain therapy system. Now, Dr. Ho's been a doctor of chiropractic medicine for over 30 years, treating people with pain, but this is a no medication solution to deal with your pain. This is a 10 system, but unlike any other 10 system that you have ever tried before, this has got 20 adhesive pads, which are all reusable. Today it's $10 off. We're shipping it to you for free. It's $23 coming to you. Dr. Ho is here and he's gonna get us all started. This is so exciting, Dr. Ho.
I love being here because we're gonna help a lot of people today.
So many people.
Now, how many of you have pain? How many have a rough night last night? Tossing, turning because your back was bothering you, or your shoulder was bothering you, or your leg was bothering you, and you did not get a good night's sleep, okay? All night, you did not get the rest you need, and you wake up with pain. You go to work with pain. You come home having a hard time relax. You feel pain. Give this a try, okay? I've been treating pain patients for over 30 years. This is something I use in my clinic for my patients, okay? If you come to see me in my clinic, you will have to pay $50 to $75 for each visit. Today, we have a special package that'll give you up to 1,000 treatment for the cost of 1 or 2 professional treatment. You're gonna love this. This is a professional grade TENS device that's cleared by FDA. This is something that's gonna work, not after you try for several weeks, but the very first time. Now, over 10 million people around the world are already living a better life with less pain. So I urge you, if you suffer with pain, give this a try. And by the way, if you have my pain therapy system, give me a call because I love to hear your story. I want to thank everyone who put the reviews on hsn.com. I just read last night, boy, it really inspired me to do better because so many of you are living such a better life because of my little pain therapy device. So please pay attention to this.
Yeah, it's little, but it's a powerhouse. Make no mistake. It's a huge customer pick, so definitely call in, talk to Dr. Ho. We love to hear from very, very happy customers. And as Dr. Ho was saying, here at HSN, you've got 30 days. You'll know in less than 30 minutes if this works for you. It is pain-free, and it helps you become pain-free. It actually treats this, not just the symptoms of pain, like a pain medication would. It actually treats the cause of the pain, and we're gonna show you exactly how it works. I'm even gonna be a very willing model for it.
We're gonna put your shoulder later on. But let me show you why people love this machine. It is very easy to use. Now, this is all you have to do, okay? It comes with self-adhesive pads. You just simply stick the pads on the area where you have pain. So for instance, if you have pain right here in your rotator cuff area, so I got one pad behind, I got another pad in front, okay? So this device is all digital, so you got a nice big screen, you can read it, you don't need to find your glasses. Very simple. And all you do, select a mode, and there's 7 modes. I'm gonna go to B, that's my favorite. And I'm gonna just slowly trigger this button here to increase intensity. At a certain level, you're gonna feel something incredible, okay? Woo, okay. At a certain level, you can feel and see the muscle actually moving on its own. And it changes. Every few seconds, you get a different stimulation, a different wave of relief. Now, my device, you don't feel it on the surface. It goes deep inside where the pain is, okay? Within minutes, you can feel the muscle relaxing and the pain start to diminish, okay? Now, if you're the type of person that get pain during the night, you can set the sleep timer for 20, 30, or 40 minutes, and the device can shut itself off. What that means is you can get relaxed, relieve your pain, and go to sleep, and the device will shut itself off. Okay, so you can select the mode to customize the treatment. Now, this is fantastic for treating different areas of your body. If you have low back pain, if you have hip pain, if you have pain that radiates down your leg, you're gonna love this. The difference with our device is there's many clinical features that makes it very effective. Unlike other devices, our device have what we call auto-modulated pain relieving wave. The technology allows the stimulation to change on its own every few seconds. So your body never adapts. That's why the first time you use this, you're gonna feel that relief you've been looking for. Now, the nice thing about this, you can use this anywhere. Now, I can use it on my shoulder, okay? If you have elbow pain, look at, very simple. I just move it to my elbow. Right now, I can treat the pain right here. How many of you play tennis, okay? You may have this pain, or you do golfing, sports. And a lot of you guys out there, you work hard. okay, when the muscle here gets strained, you get pain right there. Some of you like to play golf. And if you're a bad golfer like I am, you always hit the ground. You get pain right here. So the pads right here, we leave the elbow pain here. How about pain the wrist? I know you do a lot of repetitive work. You know, you work on the computer, you work doing different assembly work. This will help with any kind of repetitive type of problems. Now, some of you have joint pain, okay? So if you have joint pain, again, simple. Knee joint, hand joint, ankle joint, any kind of joints. If you have joint pain, just simply sandwich the joint. By doing this, we decrease the pain, we increase the mobility, allow you to work and feel better. You know, this type of machine is good for every home. Because from time to time, we all get pain, you know, from stress, from sleeping, from working, from driving, you know, from just using the wrong pillow, or looking after your kid, looking after your parents, or just from doing everyday household work. How many of you like to cook? You know, when you cook, bending over that a little bit, that can cause a low back pain. Now, one thing you love my device is, there's 2 ports, okay, with individual control. Now, that is a big advantage comparing to other devices where they only have 1 port or they don't have separate control. What that means is, if you're the type of person that have pain in different areas of your body, you can treat 2 areas at the same time. Look, Shannon, can you help me?
Yeah.
Can you hold my shirt up so you show my low back? See, you might not realize I'm getting treatment for my low back pain and my shoulder tension at the same time, and I can adjust the intensity separately. So it's perfectly comfortable and very effective for both areas. Now I can select a different modes, okay? Some are very gentle. See, this one's very, very gentle, okay? Others are more deep and more vigorous. So it's like going for a massage yourself in the clinic. You can, you know, ask the masseuse to do different type of technique, and this one, you can customize it for yourself.
And I'm glad you said that too, because that really is what it feels like if you've never tried a TENS device, and more specifically, if you've never tried Dr. Ho's TENS device, it feels like you're getting the best, most customized massage. You see it stimulate the muscles, but what it's doing is actually as if someone was rubbing, but past the skin down into the muscle. You get that incredible relief. And you get 2 different locations on your body. This is the perfect Father's Day gift. You know, Dad never complains. He's always working hard. Maybe he's just stressed out at work. This is an instant stress reliever. If you're having a hard time sleeping, it does turn off. It turns itself off so you can put it in sleep mode. $10 off, free shipping and handling. It's a customer pick even when it's $10 more, but great opportunity to get this at just $23 to try it out.
I think, Shannon, you're ready for stress relief, right? Okay, hold this, okay? Now again, just want to show you, it's very simple. All we do is take the self-adhesive pads and put on the area where you have tension and pain. So Shannon told me before, so she go, I want it on my shoulder and on my back. But I said, okay, let's try on the shoulder. See, just stick the little pads on, one on each side. If you turn to face me, please.
You can move and reuse them.
Always put it from the front, then the wire stays on better. Just like that, okay? Very simple. And she does have a lot of tension there. She's like this all the time, okay? All right.
I just worked out on my GUI gym.
There you go, okay? So again, very simple. We just trigger this and just increase it slowly. And we always like to see the face, okay? Can we take a look at Shannon's face? I always like to see the reactions, okay? Here we go. You feel it?
I'm not doing that.
You feel it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Is it strong enough yet?
It feels good, yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
now,
look at that.
You see how her shoulder just went up and come down? Now, she's not doing that. Here, I'll let you do the control yourself.
Okay.
If you don't mind, I'll just stand behind you.
Yeah.
What Shannon's feeling, as if the best masseuse back here, like chopping the muscle. And there's like deep vibration. There's like, and there's like squeezing, lifting, and then all of a sudden, watch. Okay, wait. And then it'll drop. You see? It's like squeezing it, and then all of a sudden, all the tension just let go completely. And instantly, you get the relief. Now, Shannon, are you feeling just on the surface, or are you feeling deep inside?
Deep inside, yeah. I mean, it feels like a good, because when I go to get a massage, if somebody just rubs the surface, I'm like, that's not cutting it. This is deep inside, right where the tension lives.
Yes.
And this is just, I mean, I've had it on for seconds. So imagine, well, I can't have it on for 20 minutes or I will fall asleep.
Now, can you feel the tension already relieving, the pain going away?
Can you see it on my face? I mean, I feel like you just hired a masseuse. You know what? For a massage, it's more than $119.
That's right.
Just to get a massage, one massage. You get up to 1,000 massages.
Let's show our folks here, okay? Take a look what you're getting today. We have put together a very special package for you because we know it's Father's Day. Get this for your grandfather, your father, okay? They work hard. Guys work hard. They play sports. They get injured. They get all kinds of pain, and they don't know what to do. this is the solution, okay? You're gonna get the all-new Pain Therapy Pro. Now, this is a professional clinical grade system. The same unit that I use in physical therapy clinics, in chiropractic offices. In my clinic, we charge $50 at least per treatment. You can get this, okay? It's got 2 ports, separate control, 7 modes for customization. You get the auto sleep timer, okay? You get the wires, 2 sets of regular size pads. Now, you're also gonna get a pair of the large flex tone pads. Those are great for treating low back pain, leg pain, arm pain, any large area. We're also gonna give you 4 extra replacement pads, the regular size, and a travel case up here, because you can take this to work, you can take this on plane. Oh, by the way, this is rechargeable. You don't need batteries, so you can take this to Europe, take it on a cruise boat. You don't have to worry about what plug in. Now, normally, okay, this is all you get. Now, you do get the pad placement chart and the instructional DVD. And by the way, this is the same instruction I give to my own patients in my clinic. So when you have this system, it's like having me in your home telling you exactly what to do. And there's also a toll-free service number you can call anytime. Now, normally, this is what you get. Okay, and you pay much more. But today, we're also going to give you all this extra pads over here. This is extra today for no extra charge. All together, you're going to get 20, not 10, not 15, but 20 pads. Wow. What does that calculate to? Because those pads are reusable, that means you're going to get up to 1,000 treatment. If you do the math, you come to see me, $50 per visit, 1,000 treatment, that's 50,000 you would have to pay, okay? Not only that, you get the treatment, you get the relief when you need in the comfort of your home, in the middle of the night. If you do wake up pain, put the low pads on, get the relief, go back to sleep. You can be on a cruise boat. Now you don't have to put your life on hold. You can do the things you want without the hesitation. Go then do the gardening. Go play with the grandkids. Take that road trip. Do the things you love without pills, without appointments, without ongoing bills, okay? This is something that really works. Give it a try, please.
Absolutely, and it's different than any other TENS machine. As you look at it, you think, well, I don't know, maybe I've tried TENS before. This actually gets deep inside the muscles, so it's not, there's no pain, there's no, you can see me, I've got a smile on my face. It actually stimulates the muscles and gives you that incredible pain relief right away. In fact, we want you to hear from somebody who uses their Dr. Ho pain relief system. His name is Brian. Take a listen.
I laid down with Dr. Ho and I put it on the back of my neck and shoulder, and the vibrations that were coming through were relieving the pain. It was a great feeling of soothing power coming through. It was actually like there was actual fingers massaging my neck and taking the tension out of it. It's easy, it's simple, it's straightforward. But the number one thing is that it offers relief, and that relief comes in a variety of sensations. This has given me a positive outlook in life. I feel stronger, and I feel like nothing can stop me now.
Okay, listen. If you have pain, if you have tension, whether it's tension in shoulder, low back pain, leg pain, arm pain, give this a try. Now, my friend Henry here, he's one of my first customers, and he's got a story about his back pain he'd like to share with us. Hi, Henry.
Hello, Dr. Ho. Awful good to see you.
Good to see you. What has the pain therapy system done for your back pain and for your lifestyle?
Well, it's been tremendous. I was in the military for a long time and jumped out of airplanes and gave my back a pretty rough life, I think.
Yes.
And since then, I became a grandfather. I have 10 grandchildren, and I know that you're a grandfather as well. And I have a very demanding life, you know, that they want to be wrestled with and tackled, and I have to drive over to see them and things like that. And my back would bother me very bad at times. I got the pain therapy system, and it has improved my life tremendously. I can ride in the car, I can put it on, I can relieve any of the driving stress that I had, and that's so nice. And when I overdo it with the grandchildren, which is normal, I can then go to bed at night, put it on before I go to sleep, and it is just tremendous. It really, really has done a wonderful thing for my life.
Wow, that's so good to hear. Can you do us a favor?
Yes.
Can you stand up and show us, okay? But listen, it breaks my heart to see a grandparent or a parent not being able to play with the kids. Kids can only stay young for so long. You know, my pain therapy system allows you to do the things you love so that you can do everything that you want to do or you need to do. And if you do have aches and pain from all those regular activity, you can put the pads on, relieve the pain, and go back to being active and healthy again. And that's the beauty, because so many of you, and I know I've been treating patients just like you for 30 years, you have not been living the life you want. You've been moody, you've been inactive, and your health is deteriorating because of that. But if you have my pain therapy system, you can relieve the pain and continue to be active, and that's a healthy lifestyle. Now, turn around, please, Henry. I want to show our folks here. If you suffer with low back pain, this is something you need. You must try this. Do yourself a favor, okay? And it's so simple. All you have to do is put the big pads right here, one each side of the low back, like that, and that relieves the pain right across the low back. If you have pain across the hip here, or down this area, or down the leg, radiating down the leg, okay? Can we see the back of the leg here, okay? Now, if you don't mind, Henry, let's pull your pan up a little bit here. We're gonna show you, for those of you who get hip pain or leg pain or radiating leg pain, you want one pan on the back of the leg and one pan right here in the buttock, okay? Right in the tush here, okay? And that really helps with any pain that go down your leg. Believe me, this is something we use for all our chronic back patients, and they love this, okay? People who have back pain from sitting in the office, from driving a car, from gardening, cooking, playing with the kids. This is something you can use anytime. If you have back pain during the night, put this on before you go to sleep, okay? That's gonna help you tremendously. And if you do wake up in the middle of the night with back pain, put the little pads on, turn it on, set the sleep timer for 20, 30, or 40 minutes. You can get the sleep that you need, okay? Thank you, Henry. Yeah. Now, I need a place to sit because I want to demonstrate something here.
I'm just relaxing over here.
Okay, for those of you who's... Okay, great, we got a chair. Now, if you have knee pain, okay, this is something you want. If you're an athlete or you exercise, you play sports, this is something you definitely need in your gym bag. You know, many professional hockey players, football players, you know, all type of athletes are using this system because this is something you can use before you exercise and also after your game as a recovery system, okay? Because listen, you know, a lot of us, we give up exercising because, oh, exercise, sometimes that brings on the aches and pain that I don't want. But if you have the pain therapy system, you don't have to worry about that. You can use this before the game, before you exercise to warm up, and then use it right afterward to give you fast, you know, temporary relief for any aches and pain that you have. And it goes deep into the muscle. If you have overused muscle that's straining you, okay, that's hurting you, this is it, okay? How many have knee pain? This is all you have to do for your knee pain. So simple, so effective. In fact, I can give you my own testimonial. You know, I am 56 now, but my favorite sport is playing basketball, okay? But basketball is very hard on your knee. And many times, you know, with the bigger guys, they hurt your knee, okay? So when I come home from a good game, I would put this on, I get recovery, and next day I'm back playing again. And I believe, okay, if I don't have this machine and I don't stay active like I am, I would feel, you know, much older than I am. But because of this, I'm able to stay active all this year and allow me to be a healthier person. Now, how many of you have pain in your calf muscle here, okay? Why not put this on your calf muscle just like that, okay? Very easy, very effective, so simple, without appointments, without pills, and without the worry about side effects. By the way, this is the perfect system for someone who's worried about taking pills. A lot of you nursing mothers, professional drug-free alternative you should be using.
And it really does. It gets right into the source of your pain and temporarily relieves it. So I love too that you've made really long cords, so you really can use this one device for two different parts of your body.
That's right, definitely. This is a dual port system. Okay, so I could be treating, you know, my leg, you know, with one set of pads. I can hook up another set of pads here to my low back, to my knee. So this is very versatile. This is a professional clinical grade system that I use in chiropractic and physical therapy office. This is the same unit I use with my patient in my clinic. Only thing is, when you come to my clinic, you have to pay $50 each time, okay? With our system today, you get up to 1,000 treatments. And think about the cost you're paying. For the cost of 1 or 2 professional treatment, you and your family can have unlimited relief anytime you need. And the key is, when you get relief anytime you need, you get more effective treatment. Why? Because you don't let things get worse before you attend to it, okay? And that's the key. Anytime you feel pain, treat it right away. Don't let pain slow you down, because when you slow down, your health pays for it, okay? That's why the sooner you treat it and the more often you treat it, the better results you're gonna get.
Absolutely. Well, we want to hear from Lori, who absolutely loves her pain therapy system, so take a listen.
Since I've been using Dr. Ho's products, I've found that my shoulders are less tense and neck movement, shoulders, much looser. I was able to use that whenever I needed it. So it freed up a lot of time. I was able to do it in my house. So I work and have kids, very busy. Now I was able to do something more often and feel better because it was loosening up my shoulders. I'm so glad that there's products like Dr. Ho's massager out there that allow you the freedom to get pain relief whenever you need it.
Ooh, I feel good. Listen, if you had trouble sleeping last night, or when you work in the office, you get shoulder pain or low back pain, give the Pain Therapy Pro a try. This will relieve your tension and your pain immediately. It gives you fast temporary relief every time, okay? Now, Cola here, a lot of you probably can relate to this. You sit in the office, or you drive a lot, or some of our senior friends out there, you're bound to your chair, or if you're bound to a wheelchair, this is something you definitely want. Now, Cola, how's it feel on your shoulder?
The shoulder, I carry so much tension and stress in the shoulder, especially from typing, and I think ladies do as well. It feels amazing. It's going deep right where it's hurting.
Okay, great. Then how about for your low back?
Oh,
Can you show us
yeah.
the pads
The
on your
cool
low back?
thing is I'm getting a double massage right now. I've got like 4 hands.
That's right. It's like full body massage, okay? So see, just look at, you don't even know. It's so discreet. So you got pads on the low back for treating low back pain, okay? So you can relieve right across the low back here. And also, you can feel the sensation going right down to the hip, to the buttock area. So anyone with leg pain, hip pain, you can do this. You can put one pad here, one pad in the buttock here, and that's good for your leg pain as well. So fantastic. Anywhere, anytime, and that's the beauty. Now, Cola, some people are wondering, does that hurt when you use it?
Not at all. I love it. I've been sitting there for like 10 minutes and I'm so relaxed. When I first sat down, I did. I felt like I carried all this tension. Now I'm just relaxed. It doesn't hurt at all.
Now, you try other units. How do you compare the power of this one compared to others?
This one's amazing. I mean, I have tried other units, and this one, what I like is you can control different areas at one time, and plus the pressure. I like deep tissue, and so I can go deep. And it truly goes deep without hurting me. It just gets straight to the source.
Now, you told me before the show, you recently hurt your back, threw your back out, and you gone to your chiropractor, and he used something just like it, right?
He did. He did. For my treatment, my back was hurting. He put a commercial TENS unit on it and ice, and this feels better. Plus, I can do this at home, and I don't even have to go to his office.
That's beauty. You can treat yourself anytime you want.
Yeah.
Give it a try, okay? Listen, this is something you need, okay? This is something the other people that you know might need. So get this, try. It really works. And by the way, read the reviews on HSN.com. There's many great reviews.
They are amazing. People just go gaga to be able to find that solution, a temporary pain relief solution. Unbelievable. At $23, get it home. We're shipping it to you for free. You have absolutely nothing to lose but your pain. So easy to use as well. And of course,